बेंगलुरु के 5 सितारा होटल ललित अशोक में डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम स्टडी सेंटर की यादगार पुरवकार तकरीब मुनक़द हुई। 27 जुलाई 2023 को हुए इस फंक्शन में दो बड़ी शख्सियात को डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। मशहूर साइंसदान और तिरुवनंतपुरम में इसरो के डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर नारायणन और केरला की रूहानी व सियासी शख्सियत पनक्कड़ सैयद सादिक अली शिहाब थंगड़ को साल 2023 APJ अब्दुल कलाम अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। इस अहम प्रोग्राम में कर्नाटक असम्बली के स्पीकर UT कादिर, काबीना वजीर KJ जॉर्ज, वजीर आला सिद्धरामैया के पॉलिटिकल सेक्रेटरी नसीर अहमद, इंडियन यूनियन मुस्लिम लीग कर्नाटक के रियासती सदर यन जाविदुल्ला और दीगर अहम मेहमानों ने शिरकत की। अवार्ड हासिल करने के बाद इसरो के साइंसदान डॉक्टर नारायणन ने मुल्क की अजीम शख्सियत, मशहूर साइंसदान और साबिक सदर जमहूरिया मरहूम डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम की खिदमत और कारनामों पर रोशनी डाली और हिंदुस्तान के खलाई मिशन चंद्रयान 3 के सिलसिले में जानकारी भी दी। दूसरी जानिब पनक्कड़ सैयद सादिक अली शिहाब तंगड़ ने ये पैगाम दिया कि मुल्क में सेक्युलरिज्म, डेमोक्रेसी और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के वैल्यूज़ को बरकरार और मजबूत रखने की ज़रूरत है। जुनूबी न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
I consider it is a great honor. I consider it is a great honor to receive this award on behalf of the greatest son of soil, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And it is a recognition to the entire ISRO community. This award I accept on behalf of the ISRO community.
Sir, what is your message for all the public?
1947 we got independence. Today we have grown in all the fields. Let it be agriculture, science and technology, infrastructure development, economics, everywhere we have grown. Now the younger generation of this country should put innovative efforts to make this country as a developed country when we celebrate 100th years of independence.
So congratulations for Chandrayaan mission, sir. How this development you see, and what is it? At what stage it is now?
Chandrayaan 3 is a major mission, a major scientific mission of ISRO. We have successfully placed the Chandrayaan 3 in the required orbit on 14th of this month using our Bahubali rocket LVM-3. In fact, we placed the satellite in 170 km by 36,500 km precisely in the required orbit. From that, we have to take it to almost 3.9 lakh km to reach moon. Right now, the Chandrayaan 3 is taken to 1.27 lakh kilometers. Further, we have planned the operations. So this will be taken to moon and it has to be captured in the moon. Further, we are planning to have the soft landing on 23rd of August. It is going to give lot of scientific value to this country.
Sir, after Chandrayaan 3 successfully launching, what is your next step, sir?
Chandrayaan 3 we have launched on 14th. Now next step towards Chandrayaan 3 is to make it soft land on 23rd. That is the major work what is planned towards the Chandrayaan 3. Now we are having lot of missions planned. In fact, on 30th we are going to have a launch. Our PSLV C56 is going to launch a commercial Singapore satellite we are going to launch. Then we are also having a plan to send Aditya L1 to study the sun. That is also planned shortly. The dates are yet to be announced by Chairman ISRO. And lot of programs are lined up. And our space program is meant for serving each and every common man of this country.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
We are very happy here to be here. I am very much happy to receive an award from the great visionary of India and the former president of our nation, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's name. we are very proud about him, and I am very much happy.
So what is your message for all the community leaders, community?
We keep seculars in India. We keep our democracy and our secularism, and we honor our constitution. Today, there is some problem against the constitution from the government. So, every people will keep and stand for our constitution.
So what is your organization?
I am working as a politician from Muslim League. I am coming from Muslim League. Muslim League is a secular party, and also Muslim League was a ruling party in Kerala and a part of United Democratic Alliance with Congress and other democratic parties.
डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम का एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड का जो आज मीटिंग तय किया गया था, आज इस मीटिंग के अंदर हमारे नेशनल पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड कमेटी IUML के चेयरमैन सादिक अली तंगल साहब को जो है इस एक्सेलेंसी अवार्ड दिया गया। हम जो है आज कर्नाटक स्टेट कमेटी की जानिब से मुबारकबाद देते हैं सादिक अली तंगल साहब को, और उनके जो सादिक अली तंगल साहब अब से नहीं पहले से जो है इंसानियत के लिए बहुत काम करते हैं, ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए उनके इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं और भी बहुत सारे काम करते हैं, और वो केरला स्टेट के प्रेसिडेंट भी हैं। आज हमें खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि सादिक अली तंगल साहब को जो है ये APJ अब्दुल कलाम साहब का जो है APJ अब्दुल कलाम का जो है एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड मिला है, और दूसरे जो है नारायण राव साहब जो ISRO के चेयरमैन हैं, उनको एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड दिया गया। जी जी, 2 अवार्ड दिया गया, एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड 2023।
Thank you.
Thank you all. Now, as we come to the heart of the APJ Abdul Kalam Study Center is extremely proud to offer the distinguished Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award each year on the anniversary of his passing in recognition of his outstanding and technical fields. We're thrilled to announce that this year's Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award will be conferred by the esteemed Minister Shri George Sir to all the deserving and talented recipients. Shri Panakat Syed Sadikhali Shihab Thangal. I would like to invite Siraj onto the stage for a brief introduction about
award in the 2023 അദ്ദേഹം MLA മിനിസ്റ്റർ അദ്ദേഹം ഞാൻ പോയാൽ അദ്ദേഹം ഇവിടെ കാണും ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും കർണാടകത്തിന്റെ മന്ത്രിത്വം അവാർഡ് കൊടുത്തിട്ട് അദ്ദേഹം തന്നെ അവാർഡ് കൊടുത്തിട്ട് പോകണം.
Can we please give them a big round of applause? I request the gathering to keep the claps going. Next, I request our Honorable Minister to felicitate Dr. V. Narayanan, Director of ISRO LPS. Our Minister to felicitate Mr. M.K. Mohanan, Managing Director of
that we want his son to meet him, and he should be blessed. So from Delhi, myself, his eldest son is no more now. His name was Syed Abdul Kalam. We both came from Delhi and we went to Panakat, Muhammad Ali, Shihab. We still have to cherish that memory. So today I had an opportunity to meet same time a meeting with Mike Geology Ministry. So next to that, up to our General Secretary of All India Congress Committee, who was also he was there. It was only at 3 o'clock he could leave, and he has to rush for the cabinet meeting. So he was.
Now we
And I'd like to say, when I'd been to Calicut for this in the Panagar, says Sadikhali, Shihab, Thangal's house and office, more than these people are in a queue. Everyone was waiting. And not only rich people, poorest of the poor, the happiest moment was there. The poorest of the poor of that place could directly go to the Thangal, catch his hand and ask for the support and help, whatever he wanted. And Thangal was there, let it be a big person with a suit and boot or with a lungi and a chappal. Same smile and same way of talking and same of mingling. And this, I think, this will be one of the best quality and personality. I think this all should come to us, each and everyone. Once again, thanking you, thanking all the organizers for this very a great function organized here. Let next year also you organize for the much more good person too. So.
As we start felicitating our awardees, I would like to let you all know that the awardees will Excellence Award, which is being awarded to Mr. M.K. Mohanan and Kalam people. Please give a warm welcome as Sir joins us on stage to receive this Achievement Excellence Award. Sir, can we have you on stage, please? I request the gathering. Next up, we have Dr. Justin Scaria, a beloved leader of the traders in Kerala who acts as a support and shade for the business community amidst the life's hardships. Congratulations, sir. Next, we have Sri Charles Aluka. Sri Charles Aluka is the man who keeps the expatriate community. For his remarkable achievements, which he has earned for the prestigious Janamitra Award. Next up, we have the Colors Care Charity Trust.
Here.
Missile man of the country, and he has contributed to this country in multiple capacities. I would like to share one of my direct experience about that great person. He was in ISRO and he left ISRO in the year 1983. 1984, I was joined. 1984, it was in the month of April. The then chairman, Professor U.R. Rao, who is from Karnataka, he came there to our district. And I was a very, very small boy. And chairman is there and a lot of people are going with him. Then somebody told Abdul Kalam has also come. So we were rushing to see Kalam, but he is not in the crowd with the chairman and other people. And we were searching, where is Kalam? You know, he was talking to the operators of the workshop. He was standing with them, going around and talking to each and every person. That is the greatness of Kalam. He goes with all the people and all the great personalities. I am touched. I am directly benefited by him because number one, I joined the group where he worked, and we have seen him how he really worked to some level. We have heard, and you know his Wings of Fire, that textbook. That book is the book which I have read from first page to last page without break continuously. When I read, really I got so much energy and enthusiasm. At that point of time, we were developing the cryogenic rocket engine. And after that only, I thought something great has to be done. And the engine modeling and simulation software came out after I read that book. And immediately after continuously reading that book, that software was written. And today, it is a great software doing simulation of cryogenic rocket engine modeling and simulation. And കണ്ണിലെ കൃഷ്ണമണി പോലെ കാത്ത് സംരക്ഷിക്കുവാൻ നേതൃത്വം നൽകുന്ന നേതൃത്വപരമായി കടമ നിർവഹിക്കുന്ന പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട തങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും പേരിലുള്ള നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ വേദിയിലിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ സംഘടനയുടെ കോർഡിനേറ്റർമാർ service what he has done to this society, to this country is he has united the mind of lot